Okay, buddy. In this video, we're going to be dealing with two phenomenons. One is double boiling, which means that I can... Oh, and by the way, here's my nice little cup that I made in my last video. And this video is also with alcohol, so you can do this at home. All you need is your stove top. You need a pair of pliers, needle nose, and a couple of quarters. What I've got here, this one looks like this is a 99 quarter. Tree. And then I got a really cool one here. It's bicentennial, 1976 or 1776 to 1976. And it's the one with the little drummer guy on it. See? All right. We're going to do that one first. And the second part of this phenomenon is that I'm going to turn this quarter into copper. Okay, you can see that it's... We'll get some light here. You should be able to tell it's just a regular quarter. Alright. And the reason why I got the lights down is because I want you to be able to see what happens here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our container and we're going to pour some of the isopropyl alcohol in the container. You don't need much. And then you take your quarter and you put it on the burner. Now, that happens sometimes. So we have to fish it out here. I mean, the heat that's coming off this thing is just phenomenal. It's like singeing my hair. Okay, so the best way is probably to grab it like this, put it on there and just let it sit. Okay, now you can see this if I turn the light out. Now, what we're going to do is, we're patient, just watch. That quarter will start to grow bright red. And it's probably going to take 45 seconds to 90 seconds. So you're talking anywhere upwards to, 3/4 of a minute to a minute and a half. Just depending on what type of heat source you're using. So just let it go. And in the meantime, I'm going to be posting plenty more videos dealing with cool science tricks with alcohol and whatnot, because I think it's really pretty cool. And then we can also get into some other accelerants. Now on my end, I can start to see that it's starting to glow. I don't really see that. I can't really see what's going on in the camera too good, but it's my end. It's starting to. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it right in here. Yeah, it's starting to glow. It's getting pretty red. Yeah, and it's almost going to take on the same color as the as the coil on the burner. This is an electric stove, and you're probably using a gas stove. So, but if you notice, if you look at it, it's starting to get nice and red. Okay, which is good. That's what we want. Now, I think let it go for a little bit longer. Make sure it gets nice and red. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the light on. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the quarter out of there, and then we're going to put it in the alcohol. And what's going to happen is it's going to boil one time, and then it's going to boil again. So there's going to be two boils. There's the first boil. can see it boiling. Then it'll stop boiling. Second boil. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. Well, this glass is kind of hot because it's been sitting here next to this fire. The glass actually cracked a little bit. But what we're going to do is now, you can already see the quarter is turned to copper. So let's get that quarter out. I'm not sure. Yeah, this glass is pretty hot. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here without causing a... Oh, it's hot. Okay, so... there. I'm going to turn the lights on so you can see now. I think 1/4 will be sufficient. Bring it out here in the light. And our silver quarter is now copper, like a penny. Turn it into copper. It's really astounding. I mean, how good it looks. I mean, it's, you know, it turned to copper. Now here's the other quarter. So just in comparison, to show them side by side, you've got the copperized quarter and then your regular quarter. Really, okay, gotta get that in there. Really can't argue with those results. I mean, that's pretty cool. So turn your silver money into copper money. It's like a penny with alcohol. Alright, another one for the Bics.